Alright guys, this is the Keyport Pivot 2.0 in titanium, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. First thing you want to do is remove the male pin. I'm just holding the female pin on the back side with my index finger so it's not going to rotate. Once you get that out, just lay the pivot out on the table and you can remove these extra spacers and the Keyport ID card. Now you only need these spacers if you only have a couple keys. I'll explain how that works in a minute. This is the Keyport ID card that every unit comes with. It's optional to leave it in there because we also have the URL laser engraved on the chassis, but it's easier for people to see it. If you ever lost it, they can get it back to you as long as you register your unique serial number. Just go to mykeyport.com/ID to register it. It also protects your chassis if you have keys adjacent to it as you rotate it in and out. So it's good to just have it in there. The spring washer is vital, so don't take that out, just leave it right there. You have to have the spring washer in for the anti-rotation mechanism to work properly. So I'm gonna start my key stack with the Keyport ID card. I've got 3 keys and 2 tools. Now I'm gonna show you if I only had 2 keys or even 3 keys, I need the keys to be at least 1 key height or spacer height above the female pin for this to work properly. So if I stack, in this case, I need 2 spacers if I only had 2 keys. So now I'm at least 1 key or spacer height above that pin. And that's so that the spring washer can compress when you crank it down and tighten it, and it has a ratcheting mechanism so it never comes loose on you. So since I have 5 keys, I'm going to be fine here. So I'm going to take the spacers out and just stack my keys and tools right on top of the pin so the holes are all aligned. Then rotate the other side of the chassis over, align the hole. You want to find the female pin down there and get the threads going, and then just tighten it up by hand. As far as you can go. And once you're there, take a coin, any coin will do, and start to spin the pin, and you're going to hear that clicking sound. That's the ratcheting sound I was telling you about. You can see the spring washer is compressing every time I rotate it, and every 90 degrees it clicks. And that just makes it so the keys can't flop out and rotate out when you don't want it. And you can get that tightened up as tight as you like it. It's a little too tight right now. So right now it's perfect for me to easily get my key and get the right key that I need each time. So that's all there is to the assembly. It's got this beefy D-ring on here that you can attach your auto fob or any of our parapoles or any kind of carabiner or anything like that you'd like. And it also has these holes on the side are not just there for looks, they're actually, they work with our modular system. So we've got face plates and we've got modules that snap onto the side, both sides. So you could take the multi-tool or the Neba knife or the flashlight or the WeLink, which is a charger cable for your phone, or the new OmniFob, and you can actually, they snap right on to the side with these metal spring steel feet. So you just push it on and it clicks. Now you've got that, and I can add the Neba knife on this side. And the Neba knife and the Mocha 2 module have the same, we call these mid modules. So you can actually stack more on top of it, and you can also stack the faceplates. And so you can create a totally custom multi-tool any way you want it with the system. So that's all there is to it. If you have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.